Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two ways to change Wi-Fi password in your TP-Link Archer BE3600. Let's go. The first way is change your password in TP-Link Tether application. Just open the app, switch to More tab at the bottom and go to Wi-Fi settings. Here it is, here is your password. You can tap on this eye icon to see the password and tap on this field to change the password. Also, you have this Smart Connect switcher over here. What is this? Smart Connect combines 2.4 and 5 GHz networks into one unified network so that your devices are connected to the best network for them at the highest possible speed. I recommend you to keep Smart Connect enabled, but if for some reason you need to separate 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, you can do this and set separate password for each network. But let me keep Smart Connect enabled and change password for the whole network. You need to delete your old password, enter a new one, then hit save. Confirm changing your password. After this, your devices will be disconnected from this Wi-Fi network and you have to connect each device separately using your new password. Now wait a moment for changes to be applied. Connect. This smartphone will connect to a new network with new password automatically, and for other devices, as I told before, you need to reconnect. So join, and that's it, you're all set. Another way is to change the password from the router's web interface. To do this, make sure your computer is connected to your TP-Link router and open a web browser. Then in the search bar type in the router's IP address. By default, TP-Link router's IP address looks like this. So enter this value in the search bar, hit enter, and you need to log in as administrator. You should know your password because you've created it yourself on the router setup, so log in. You can ignore this window. This is a suggestion to log into TP-Link ID, and then you need to switch to wireless. And here is your network credentials, network name and password. You can also disable Smart Connect, disable wireless radio. So change your password. Don't forget to save your changes, but in this case, your computer will not be reconnected automatically, unlike smartphone. You need to reconnect manually, because now the password will be changed. Wait for it. And then go to Wi-Fi settings, find TP-Link network, connect to it. It requires your new password. And do the same for all your devices you wish to connect to this router. If this video was helpful, support our channel with your likes and subscriptions, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.